This is a half of an update because I'm waiting on another set of colors. This company was sued and went out of business. Those are floral spray dyes. So we were going to make our piece with those. I didn't know that they're not available anymore. So then I did a lot of research and I bought this kit here, but I could not get them to work. Had all these experiments, just did not work. So I'm going to go with something I've also used before, but it's very pricey material, is these guys here. So I've ordered a new kit of these. These are $70 a piece, but they produce these hyper luminous samples. Like that's them there. You can see there's no oxide in them, so at all angles you can really pick up a lot of light. So what we want to do here is just kind of see, this is the same color but treated with different types of reflective qualities. We've got our little sample right here. So here's this guy, and you can, this would be the section here maybe that we'd be representing. This is maybe a little browner, and this can be any level of intensity, dark to saturated. So we just want to kind of get an idea of what behavior we like the best, so that when we do color, we can eliminate behaviors that we don't like. This is a silverback, and then on the same color of tint, this is a gold back. So you can see when you silver leaf things, they've got a little more neutral vibe to them, and when you gold leaf them, they just will pull up even warmer, which can also be a component of the color itself. This is a silver-backed solvent dye, gold-backed solvent dye. So we can spray these with solvent oxides by mixing, where they're a little darker, a little less transparent. We can use dyes, which are hyper vibrant, and decide also gold, silver. You can also get away from leafing. All these four all have silver leaf, and that's it. We can spray pearl on them. See, this has just got a charcoal back, and you can see at a distance they behave differently, pick up a lot of light also, but it's not as metallic-y. It's more pure, and you can decide if you prefer that. Let me kind of move across these, like a more pure vibe versus this silver leaf. Why isn't it focusing? A more pure color versus this kind of more silver leafed type behavior. Then you can also add metal flake. So this would have just a little metal flake added with a gold back, and that has, it's a little half and half. This is another gold flake. This is pure gold flake, if you want to go super jazzy. With a bit of mix and matching too, where you could have a silver leaf, and then maybe the outside you start using some pearls. But let's just get a look at all these, and if there's one that you're particularly attracted to, considering these are all the same pigment being sprayed, just being treated differently. One thing about a piece is, now look at how the dye ones, that's these two here, there are angles that you can capture silver leaf. Notice how black that gets all of a sudden? But notice this pearl one on the far right is still luminous. You almost can't get rid of the last bit of luminosity from pearl. But a silver leafed piece can go black at a particular angle. It's a silhouetting effect. You can see how those two walnut pieces, this is these two on the far left top corner, you can hit an angle wherein the silver leaf will just pitch black on you because of the way the light's behaving inside the substrate. So you can cancel some of that out with extremely hard downlighting, so you're always pushing light into the piece. The higher the angle, the better. But that's our behaviors. If you can give me some feedback on that, if you like pigment oxide, transparent pigment, or pearls, or maybe a little bit of hybrid pearl. I'm doubting we're gonna go with metal flake, but it's possible. That'll give me some headway, some kind of a head start on how to get all these colors. And we're getting this kit in, I think, Thursday. So we'll have a bunch of those, and we'll be able to do all your colors.